Hi, I'm Yasmin, one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana, Dundrum, and in this video we're going to be speaking about what you can do after and before using the Dermaroller. So before using the Dermaroller, I'd recommend to stop using your active products for 5 days prior to your treatment. I'd also make sure that you're not feeling or seeing a cold sore come up on your lip, because if any tingling is apparent, we would say to not use your Dermaroller, because we don't want to add any more heat in to stimulate the cold sore itself. After your treatment, there is a little bit of downtime, so that is one of the cons of using the roller itself. You will have redness for the rest of the day if you use it today, for example. In the morning time you might find still a little bit more redness, but nothing like what you've had the night before. After about 2 to 3 days you might find your skin really tight. I find that it's like really itchy and stuff like that. It's important that we don't pick any skin that we see starting to flake away. So that's the feelings that we're getting is our dead skin cells wanting to come off. If we pick the dead skin cells, it may give us pigmentation, so it's important just to let our skin repair itself and let it flake away itself. You can use as much moisturizer as you like to hydrate your skin again, but that would be a downtime after 3 days, and it can last up to 3 days itself. So you're looking at about 6 days downtime. But with the Dermaroller itself, it may not be as long, as it doesn't work at quite a deep depth. So the more you use it, as it's a 0.5, you may only have one day or even 48 hours downtime the more you use it, as your skin is getting used to it.